Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on QuantConnect and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and watch to the end to know whether or not this algorithmic trader is worth it for you. A major strength of QuantConnect is its comprehensive environment for algo development. It provides access to extensive historical market data, which is crucial for accurate backtesting. The platform's lean engine is highly regarded, offering powerful capabilities for strategy design. Users appreciate the ability to use popular programming languages like Python and C Sharp, fostering a strong community and providing flexibility. QuantConnect also offers a hybrid workflow, allowing users to develop locally and then leverage QuantConnect Cloud for scalable backtesting and live deployments, which remove the headache of maintaining personal server uptime. Its Alpha Streams marketplace also allows quants to license their algorithms to quantitative funds. However, QuantConnect does have some drawbacks. The platform can have a steep learning curve, especially those new to programming or algorithmic trading, despite tutorials. Some users have reported that backtesting speeds can be slow, and there are concerns about the accuracy of backtesting engine in certain scenarios, making it difficult to debug. While it integrates with brokers like interactive brokers, there can be limitations on data requests and the need for frequent 2FA reauthentication for live trading. Furthermore, it's generally not designed for high frequency trading requiring microsecond precision, as latency can be an issue. QuantConnect is ideal for quantitative analysis, engineers, mathematicians, and experienced traders who have programming skills and want to develop backtest and deploy complex algorithmic trading strategies across multiple asset classes. It's particularly well suited for those looking for a robust platform with extensive data, a strong community, and the flexibility to operate in a cloud or hybrid environment for strategy research and deployment. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.